Hang in there. Hang in there. Hang in there. Don't give up. This phrase is used to encourage someone to keep going, even when things are difficult. It suggests patience, perseverance, and staying strong through challenges. People often say this when someone is facing a tough situation, like school, work, or personal problems. I know studying for finals is hard, but hang in there, you'll do great. Hang in there, the storm will pass soon. He told me to hang in there when I was struggling with my new job. Don't worry about the delay, just hang in there and keep working. I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. I'll give it a shot. I will try. This phrase is used when someone wants to attempt something even if they are not confident about the outcome. It shows willingness to try, even without full expertise. It's a friendly and casual way to express effort. I don't know much about cooking, but I'll give it a shot. Can you fix this computer? I'll give it a shot. She said she would give painting a shot even though she's never done it before. I'll give learning French a shot this year. That works for me. That works for me. That works for me. That is okay or acceptable. This phrase is used to show agreement with a suggestion, plan, or idea. It communicates flexibility and willingness to go along with what someone else proposes. It's informal but polite. Let's meet at 3 p.m., that works for me. If we take the train instead of driving, that works for me. Can we start the project next Monday? That works for me. I don't mind which restaurant we choose, that works for me. That's not my thing. That's not my thing. That's not my thing. I don't like it. It's not for me. This phrase is used to politely express disinterest or lack of preference for something. It's a casual way to say you don't enjoy or aren't interested in a hobby, activity, or idea without being rude. Skydiving? No thanks, that's not my thing. Sushi isn't my thing, I prefer pizza. Thanks for inviting me to go camping, but sleeping in a tent is not my thing. That's not my thing, but I'm glad you enjoy it. Break the ice. Break the ice. Break the ice. Start a conversation comfortably. This phrase is used when someone wants to reduce tension or awkwardness in a social situation. It refers to making people feel comfortable and encouraging interaction, especially in meetings, parties, or new environments. He told a funny story to break the ice at the meeting. Asking about hobbies is a good way to break the ice. She brought cookies to break the ice with her new neighbors. We played a quick game to break the ice before class started.